Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. Also, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will see the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section and make sure you follow us on Telegram. Now, what we'll be expecting on GBPUSD, right? If you are following this channel consistently, you would have seen that last week we predicted a bearish move on GBPUSD. We will actually say that GBPUSD will actually give us a bearish move no matter what it's happened. All what you should be looking out for is a sell on GBPUSD. And it is exactly what markets gave us. Markets gave us that bearish move. You can see we closed bearish last week. I think we had about 120 plus pips on GBP bearish to the downside. This week also we'll be expecting some bearish move. Now let's sit on this monthly time frame. You understand it. Now zoom it out. You will see that from this level here, which is from 2006 or whatever, starting from here, right? Starting from this level, it is around 2006. Since then, you can see that since then, GBPUSD on the monthly time frame has literally been dropping. So basically, more drop is to come, especially in the long run, or if you're a position traders, right? If you're a position trader, a very long term trader, of course, you all know what you should be doing, a sell on GBPUSD. It just depends on when you enter and your timing, by the way. So now let's go to the weekly time frame. We had a bearish move last week, right? If you take a look at this, right, price was kind of going bullish around here, right? But you will see that price is now dropping within this level. Like you always say, trade with the trend and not against the trend. We would definitely want to trade what market is doing, what market is showing us, which is the trend. And you can clearly see the trend here. Market is literally dropping. So definitely we are going to drop with it. So we will see something like this on GBPUSD, an impulse move, right? A correction or a pullback, another impulse move. You see that within this level, market range within this level, we can find our support and our resistance within this level, right? Market range, eventually it broke below it. And guess what? Once market breaks below it, what do you expect? Market needs to give us a pullback to come to test this support level, in which it came to test the support level, even broke above it a bit. It actually did not get our resistance level, and it did not break above our resistance level. So still a confirmation that this is still a bearish move. No matter what you want to do, you want to be selling on GBPUSD. Now we eventually had this drop, a little bit of a correction or a pullback. Now we've gotten this massive drop, which is this massive, right? So basically, in for some time, we should be expecting a little bit of a pullback. Not much, by the way. So just expect a little bit of a pullback. After that pullback, a little bit of a pullback. Then guess what? We will be expecting another drop on GBPUSD. So basically, this week also we will be closing bearish. Whether a pullback will play out or it will not play out, whatever thing it will happen, GBP must definitely give us a bearish move this week. Now let's see on this 4-hour time frame where there's a possibility of a pullback. But when you take a look at this 4-hour time frame, there's a kind of like a correction. We can see it impulse move, right? A correction. You can see it is also tapping our trend line. You can see the trend line, right? We can see another impulse move to the downside. This is a correction, right? Another impulse move giving us a lower lows. So basically, this is the trending market. So a correction came to test our trend line. See it, another impulse move to the downside, giving us a new lower lows. And guess what happened? Came to test our trend line as a pullback. So what are you expecting? A definitely another impulse move to the downside, forming a new lower lows. So basically, GBPUSD is still on a downtrend move. So this week, we will be expecting a new lower lows to be formed. Probably after that new lower lows will be formed, then maybe another pullback will happen. You can see it, price is trading below our 10-period simple moving average. It is also trading below our 20-period simple moving average. And of course, once price comes to hit our trend line, we tend to drop. So basically, it is a downtrend move. Whatever you would want to be doing on GBPUSD is to sell. Look for an opportunity to sell. It depends on how you want to get your setup to sell. Maybe once the price comes to this your trend line, you can look to sell, or maybe it comes to hit your 10-period simple moving average, you can look to sell, or once it comes to hit your 20-period simple moving average, you can look to sell. Whatever thing you would want to do on GBPUSD, it is sell. Now, do not forget to subscribe if you find this video helpful.